Mga anak, and happy week nila. Happy Mother's Day to me. Thank you, thank you. Oh, sauce, oh. To the person who sent this special Goldilocks, thank you very much. Ivy, thank you very much. Happy Mother's Day to you. Thank you. And my special delivery from the special people, special person. Thank you, Ivy. No, alam mo na ito ang favorite ko. No? Alam mo, mas important tayo. Goldilocks, thank you, Ivy. Happy Mother's Day sa akin at sa iyong mother. Happy Mother's Day. See? I want to see my favorite. Alam niyo yung favorite? Hindi ko alam. Okay. Wow! Yee! Wow! Wow! Oh. See? Yung bulaklak angel, pakikuha. Oh. She knows that my favorite Goldilocks. I am simple, only never mind. Okay, Goldilocks is good.